Welcome to our first lesson of YouTube Masterclass. So this section is going to be about the suggestions, okay, about how you will be able to open up a YouTube channel and gain growth. So the first lesson is going to be finding your own niche. Finding a niche for your YouTube channel is an important step in building a successful and engaged audience. It involves identifying a specific topic or theme that aligns with your interest, expertise, and the interest of your target audience. Well, I'm also going to give you specific examples too. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you find a niche for your YouTube channel. Assess your interests and passions. Well, that is one of the foremost and important thing before opening up or creating videos for YouTube. Start off by making a list of topics that you're genuinely interested in and passionate about. Because if you are not passionate about it or passionate about specific things, you will not be able to work your way throughout YouTube growth and also find enjoyment and also entertainment in it. Consider your hobbies, skills, knowledge, and experiences. It's essential to choose a niche that you'll enjoy creating content about for the long term, because obviously if you are thinking about short term, it will not help you in the growth, because you cannot gain growth and also get benefit from YouTube just by working a couple of days or a couple of hours or maybe a couple of months, even a couple of years. Well, it's a long time process for getting that benefit from YouTube. Research popular niches. Look for popular niches on YouTube that align with your interests. There are a couple and vast amount of niche that you will find online and people making content on it. And if you are genuinely interested in it and find enjoyment in it, then it will help you in the long term. Explore different categories such as technology, fashion, gaming, cooking, fitness, travel, beauty, educational, personal development, or other areas that appeals to you. Look for niches with a substantial audience and engagement potential. 3. Identify your unique angle. Uniqueness is very important because if it is like overrated or common, people will obviously not watch your videos or find interest. But if you have uniqueness in your videos or your content, people will automatically find your videos and search for your videos, and obviously you will find that opportunity to get that gain. Obviously, more people equals to more opportunity. So, consider what makes your approach different or how you can add value to that existing content in your chosen niche. This could be your personality, expertise, storytelling style, or particular focus with the niche. Analyze competition and audience demand. Research other YouTube channels in your own chosen niche to understand their content, audience engagement, and subscriber count. Analyze the demand for content within the niche by looking at the number of views, comments, likes, and overall engagement on popular videos. This will help you assess the potential audience size and the level of competition of your specific niche and your own content. 5. Define your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates with them. Obviously, you are going to, or let's say you have to make content that is going to understand, or let's say attract your target audience. Okay? Identify the demographics, interests, and need of your potential viewers within your chosen niche. This will help you tailor your content to the preferable, or let's say preferences, and establish a connection within your audience. Test and refine your niche. Once you've identified a potential niche, create a few sample videos to test the waters. Pay attention to the response from viewers, such as constructive criticism, including views, comments, likes, and shares. Use this feedback to refine and tweak your niche if needed. It may take some experimental or let's say experimentation before you find the right balance. Be consistent and passionate. Consistency and passion are key to building a successful YouTube channel. Commit to a regular upload schedule and consistently create high quality content within your niche. Show your genuine enthusiasm for the topic, as it will attract like-minded viewers and keep your audience engaged. So the overview is that remember, finding a niche is not one-time decision. As you evolve as a content creator and your audience grows, you may need to adapt or expand your niche to cater in the changing needs and interests of your viewers. So you don't have to worry about, let's say, making a specific topic about a specific niche. You can also increase that niche and go up to other niches, and also increasing that source or what the audience actually wants. Okay, stay open to feedbacks, trends, and opportunities that arise along the way. Obviously, the feedbacks, trends, and opportunities are going to change day by day, which is evolution. Okay, so don't stay on the same niche. Just make sure that your target audience is entertained enough and your content is unique enough so that you can gain or also grow day by day. So let's move on to our next lesson, where we are going to learn about the suggestions before opening up your YouTube channel and also uploading videos on it.